All right, we are on lesson 5. This is the final lesson of section 1, and it is the easiest lesson of them all. And kind of, this graph that we are looking at right now is why I am so adamant about small cap investing. 77% of the 10 baggers are found in companies trading below $1 billion in market cap. 77%. If you want to hit home runs, if you want to be a home run hitter, you have to swing at fastballs right down the middle of the plate. You find those in the small cap space. Okay. A lot of people out here are investing in large caps, and even I would reckon, mega caps, the number is even tinier. Don't get me wrong. Those businesses are beautiful on paper, but you are paying a very high price tag to own those businesses. It makes the game much more difficult, to hit home runs. If you are a small-time investor, or even an investor playing with under, $25 million, I see myself, if I have $25 million, still living in the small cap space because there is enough liquidity and there is plenty of opportunity in this area. I cannot emphasize that enough. This data set shows how important it is for investors to be living in the small cap space if you are, an individual stock picker. Okay. There are some opportunities here in mid caps. There is a company that I may include in the section 3 that is a mid cap. It has a market cap of roughly $1.8 billion that I think has a potential, that is a potential 10 bagger. It was a 10 bagger at one point. I think it may 10 bag again because of factors that we'll get into later. But I just want to emphasize one more time. If you are someone that is interested in picking stocks on your own, which I'm imagining everybody here in this course is going to be picking their own stocks, you have to be looking in the small cap space. You cannot be afraid of these companies. You need to do, your due diligence, but you need to do that on any company. And you have to be going through these stocks, regularly. So that's the final lesson. Basically, all you need to know is, hey, if you want to be an individual investor, or even if you want to manage, relatively small amounts of money, and you want to be outperforming the market, small caps have to be, basically your breeding ground. This is where you find the best prospects. So get looking. All right, I will see you guys in section 2 where we start diving into the fundamentals of 10 baggers. Peace.